Hello guys, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are discussing about rollback and deletion. What to do when you have deleted something accidentally and you want to recover it. When it comes to deletion, there are two things you can delete. The very first one is data and then the configurations. If the data is deleted, then let's go to the instance. In case the data is deleted from a table which is auditable, then you have the option of deleted records module. Under system definition, we have deleted records. Click on it. So these all are the records which are deleted from a table which is auditable. You see incident, right? So all these tables are auditable. We have made those tables auditable so that we can track the deletion as well. Along with this, we have one more application which is rollback and recovery application. Let's go to that. This is the rollback and recovery application. You see three things here. So the rollback context, delete recovery and script execution history. Okay. First of all, let's open the rollback context. Let me open one record. So when it comes to rollback context, it is a bigger picture. It starts with the deletion of a record, the very single record, and it reaches up to like when you upgraded the instance, when you added some patch. In that case, if you want to roll back the instance completely, okay, then you can use rollback context. So you see here, the rollback context include deleted record, patch updates, script background script, execution, database action, and plugin activation. So we are doing rollback context when we want to go back immediately. It's not about a single record, it is the complete rollback. Okay. After rollback context, we have delete recovery. So delete recovery, let's open a record here. So delete recovery is nothing but it's a part of rollback context. You see, it is a part of rollback context. So in case if you don't want to roll back everything, you just want a portion to roll back. In that case, you can use delete recovery. So after delete recovery, we have the next option as script execution history. Let's click on it. So this script execution history display all the script which we have used in background script. Okay, so let's go to background script. So this is the background script here. So whatever scripts you have used in this particular box and try to run it, try to test it, all these scripts are stored in the rollback table. Okay, here, script execution history. So let me open one of it. So many times when your script is lost, yes, we experience that we have written a background script and it is lost due to some like if you clicked on back or something, or if there is an error, then you can easily come to this script execution history and you can copy and see your script properly. Okay. If you want to roll back the action of these scripts, you can easily use the delete recovery or rollback context to do so. Okay. The next option is configuration. So let's say you have added one script and that script is lost. So in that case, we have a simple concept of update set. So in that case, you can see the update set from here. Go to the developer. You see the update set. Right now, the update set is default update set. Click on it. So you will see all the customer updates. It will not capture the data. It will only capture the configurations. Okay. So let me open it in new window. So here you see, this is the type. Let me group by type. You see all these are configurations, access controls, dictionary, everything is mentioned here. Client script. Let's open this. So this is the client script. This is the name of the client script. This is the like sysid with name. What action you are doing, everything is possible here. Okay. Let me open this client script. How to open? Just open the filter and provide sysid which we have copied. So this is the client script. At the bottom, you can see all the version of this client script. You can switch to any version whenever you want. Everything is maintained properly. Let's say you want to switch on this version, open that version. You can use this UI action, revert to this version. So now this script will revert to this version if I click on OK. Okay. So in this way, you can Keep eye on the configurations. Though on update set we have a separate video. The system always have a default update set open, but in case you want to create your new one, you can create a new update set and capture the customizations, the changes according to the requirement, according to the changes. Okay. I hope you understand the session now. Now you are able to retrieve the records, retrieve the data, retrieve the configurations whenever you lost it accidentally. Okay. Wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye and subscribe to the channel.